followed by my honest review on Olive Young's 2025 award-winning moisturizers. This time is all about the most underrated Korean creams that deserve your attention. Ready to discover these real hidden gems? Hello, annyeong, welcome to One Eye on Korean Beauty. I'm Yuhi, your dry skin friend in the 40s based in UK and a certified religion skincare coach. Just because a product has won an award, it doesn't always mean that it's the best and vice versa. So today I brought some of the best hidden cream gems that are especially suitable for skin over 30, 40 and beyond, for dry skin, oily skin and combination skin. Yes, I have them all. So make sure you stay tuned until the end to discover which is the best match for you. Before we kickstart, don't forget to like and subscribe to show some love and support. 감사합니다. Thank you so much. Let's start with the best ones for dry skin. And for this, I've got to mention this cream over here from Rovectin, Aqua Hyaluronic Soothing Cream. This has been my go-to cream in my morning routine with the beautiful hydrating texture. Check out this lightweight texture with ceramide capsules. It just blends into the skin beautifully. Usually a lightweight cream like this isn't moisturizing enough for my very dry skin, but this one, it is so hydrating and moisturizing and it lasts. That's because this is filled with great humectant ingredients like Panthenol, 8 types of hyaluronic acid, as well as niacinamide, lactobacillus ferment, and coconut flower derived mineral water. Such a great cream. I would highly recommend this for dry and very dry skin, or even dehydrated skin. You know, the skin that's oily but dry on the inside. Because it's so lightweight, I think this will be a great option for dehydrated skin as well. Great. This has been my savior for my dry skin in my morning routine. I keep saying that I've been using this in my morning routine because at nighttime I recommend you use a skin barrier supporting cream, and this is more designed for hydration. If you want to find out more, you can go and check out my video on showing my full routine both morning and night. I'll leave its link in the pinned comment below for you. In that video I wasn't using this cream, it was something else, but you can replace it to this one and use a barrier supporting cream in your night routine. I would highly recommend it for both dry and dehydrated mature skin. Another great option for dry skin is this one over here from Rejuran, Healer Turnover Active Cream. I'm not sure why this cream isn't talked about more, and if you've been following me, you know how much I love the brand Rejuran. They are the pioneer of PDRN. They just know what they're doing with this ingredient, how to make most and best out of it. This cream has a quite rich and beautiful delicate texture with 0.2% CPDRN, which is Rejuran's proprietary version of PDRN in smaller molecules. Plus it features other great ingredients like niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, panthenol, adenosine, and skin-soothing tocopherol. It leaves the skin smooth and deeply moisturized. When PDRN is infused in creams, it works on long-term repair. It heals the skin and improves skin firmness, elasticity, and helps to support and strengthen the skin barrier overnight. So if you've got mature skin, using a cream with PDRN will be a great choice in your night routine. If you have combo oily skin, this cream might be a bit too rich for you guys, so I recommend you something else from Rejuran. This one over here, Rejuran Derma Healer Moisture Cream. This one has a more lightweight texture and actually has a higher concentration of PDRN. So for combo oily, I recommend this one from Rejuran, and for dry skin, I recommend this gold cream over here. Such great gems. Next one up is an incredibly moisturizing cream for dry skin. This one over here, Abib Jericho Rose Cream. I've been raving so much about this cream and have created a shorts video on it like 2 to 3 years ago. And whenever I spot this like in shops, I've been picking it as my top pick. And whenever someone with dry skin asks for my recommendation of moisturizers that actually work in winter, I've been recommending this as well. This really deserves more attention. If you're looking for a moisturizer that actually moisturizes, this is it, guys. I still have not found a moisturizer that I do not need to add a drop of jojoba oil. You know, I've been showing this tactic many times in my previous shows. Always have to like add a drop of jojoba oil to my moisturizer because my skin is so dry. With this one, I don't really need it. It is dead moisturizing. It has a perfect balance of oil and moisture. It has a beautiful rich texture, but still breathable, very elegant, leaving the skin smooth and deeply moisturized. It is a rich cream, but it does not feel heavy on the skin, and it's enriched with over 30,000 ppm of Jericho rose extract, shea butter, and lactobacillus ferment. Great for skin barrier support and occlusive, very occlusive cream that's not heavy once again. It just does a perfect job for dry, mature skin. Before we carry on, if you're enjoying the show, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And if you'd like to explore more great skincare tips to improve your skin, go and check out oneeyebeauty.com. This is where I share lots of skincare tips and K-beauty info for skin over 30, 40 and beyond. Do subscribe to join the One Eye Beauty community and become an icon. Subscribed icons will receive my weekly email newsletter with updates, skincare tips and Q&As. Looking forward to seeing you in our One Eye Beauty community. Now moving to the best option for combo, oily and breakout prone skin is another one from Abib Heartleaf cream. I would say this cream is like the opposite version of that Abib Jericho cream. While the Jericho cream is rich, more ideal for dry skin types, this is a lightweight cream infused with many great ingredients to tackle like excess oil production, ideal for combo, oily and breakout prone skin, because I do receive requests from mature skin types who suffers from breakouts and acne, asking what I can recommend for them, and I would recommend this one over here. It's a beautiful green toned lightweight cream enriched with heartleaf, niacinamide, turmeric root extract, multiple types of hyaluronic acid, panthenol and silica. So it has a great mix of skin soothing, oil controlling and hydrating ingredients. Remember, oily skin types need to be well hydrated as well, because when it's not hydrated, it'll produce even more oil. So this is a really well infused and gentle cream that will leave your skin well hydrated and comfortable. Next is a barrier supporting cream that's suitable for all mature skin types, and it deserves so much more attention. And that cream is this one over here from Heveblue, Penta Berry Panthenol Repair Cream. This one is all about skin barrier. It has a whopping over 600,000 ppm of Centella Asiatica leaf water and 100,000 ppm of panthenol. This is 10%. And it's not just any panthenol, it's Dex Panthenol, which is infused with 5 types of berries, centella and heartleaf. I showed you in my previous video the award-winning Purito Mighty Bamboo Cream from Olive Young Awards 2025 award winner list. That cream, I did tell you that it wasn't just enough for dry skin, but this is the great alternative option for dry skin with 10% panthenol. This is the ideal panthenol rich cream for dry skin to support your skin barrier, but not just only that, it also has centella, so it's like double skin barrier support. It's lightweight but not too lightweight for dry skin and not too heavy for oily skin either. It has a perfectly balanced texture without any fragrance. This is another moisturizer that actually moisturizes, giving that lasting hydration. And you can tell and feel that it helps with your overall skin health. This is a fantastic choice for mature skin, whether you have dry, combo or oily, suitable for all skin types, because all mature skin need that skin barrier support. And this cream does just that. Which of these creams would you like to try first? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you've got any thoughts or questions, also leave them down below. I'd love to hear from you. If you'd like to grab your hands on any of these creams mentioned in today's show, all the shopping links and my discount codes will be down in the pinned comment below. If you'd like to explore more great skincare tips and more info and my honest reviews on K-beauty, go and check out my video next over here. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next K-beauty show. 안녕!